Recall the domain of a rational expression contains all real numbers except those values that would make the denominator 0. In other words, make it undefined. So find the domain of the function below. All we have to do is simply find out what values would make the bottom undefined. So to do that, it's the same process as you did with the vertical asymptote. Take the bottom, set it equal to 0, and solve for x. When we solve for x here, x equals 5. And what that means is I can plug any number in the world into this function, and it would be okay. The only number that I can't plug in that's restricted from the domain is 5. And the reason is if I remove the x from the original equation and replace it with the 5, you will have 5 take away 5, which is 0. It'll make the bottom undefined. So any number that would make the bottom undefined has to be excluded from the domain. So to write that in interval notation form, well, actually we'll start with set builder form. Set builder, you would write it as such, meaning x is such that x is all real numbers except, or you would say not 5, okay? And that's why you put the equal sign with the line through it. So x is such that x can be any real number but not 5. Interval notation form, yes, our domain is from negative infinity to positive infinity, except it does not include 5, so we have to put a parentheses around 5 to mean that it does not include 5, and that's how we write it.